So, started at 6, about to reach Poon. I made it to Poon Hill in 45 minutes. Yes, nature was waiting for us to show the magic of best sunrise in the world. I haven't seen such an amazing view before, and experiencing this sunrise was really a breathtaking moment. Sunrays were gently touching to cold and calm mountains. It seems like the sun is waking up them. So it's very cool and shooting some time lapse. After witnessing one of the best sunrise in the world, we returned to tea house for breakfast and started our trek again. So we have just completed Poon Hill and came back again to the guest house, did a breakfast there and heading towards Chomrong. The first stop will be Ghorepani. You can see the board and you have to take a right turn from here, from this board. Poon Hill was full of stairs and that was a good warm-up in morning. I was aware that this is going to be a tough day, but let's forget everything and enjoy this amazing trail. And
there are endless
stairs. Stairs are not ending, man.
And that's something it's making it more tougher.
Yeah. These forest trails look so amazing and the sunlight streaming through the leaves looks miraculous. I like being near the top of the mountain, and very soon we climbed another top and enjoy the amazing panoramic view. After n number of stairs we reached this point and it's hot. You can sit here and see the majestic peaks here. So those n number of stairs has ended right now and we got this beautiful trails. You can see this. Akash is just behind me. We crossed many tea houses and witnessed some attractive creation by trackers too. We stopped on this one for tea and took a rest for a few minutes and continued our trek again. slowly, these trails were taking us to Talapani. We met frequent ascent and descent, but we were trying to maintain our pace. When I track in mountain, only 3 things come in my mind: water, food, and shelter. And the best part of hiking in Annapurna base camp track is you will get tea houses after every 4 to 5 kilometers. That is why it is one of the best tea house track in the world.
Again a number of stairs and a deep forest, but we made it to this Talapani, and now we are going to have lunch and heading towards Chomrong.
We took a break for lunch. Talapani was really an amazing place. We enjoyed talking to locals and trackers. They were very skeptical to know our plan that we are heading to Chomrong on very same day.
So at Talapani and moving to Chomrong.
We enjoyed amazing descending trail and literally we were running on them.
So guys, after 12 hours track, we are finally in this room. तो सही में अगर आप फिट नहीं हो, फिजिकली फिट नहीं हो या मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हो, तो डोंट अटेम्प्ट दिस. ये इट्स वेरी हेक्टिक and even not so easy for us. This is the room which we 4 guys are sharing here. I will show you more things in morning. Bye bye. Good night. We are coming from up there, and it was all the way to the down that bridge, and now the endless stairs. Today's night is more adventurous. We are sleeping in a dining area. You can see this is my bed